Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best document cleaning pad is probably one of the most underrated tools in your office. It's designed to gently remove dust, dirt, and fingerprints from documents, photos, and other paper-based materials. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who likes to keep their important papers in good condition, this pad can help you preserve your documents for years to come. Number 5. Mr. Pen Art Eraser Set for Artists. This set is designed for artists, draftsmen, and engineers. It includes everything you need for accurate and controlled erasing. It's perfect for detailed work. The dusting brush features a comfortable hardwood handle. It has sterilized mixed horsehair bristles for effective cleaning. This helps keep your work clean. The set includes a flexible stainless steel erasing shield. It has 26 precision openings for accurate erasing. This allows you to erase with precision. This latex-free vinyl eraser is 2 x 3/4 by 3/8 inches. It easily removes pencil marks without smudging. It's a must-have for any artist. These are high-quality drafting tools designed for professionals. They are made in the USA. This set will help you create your best work. What we like. This drafting eraser set is designed for artists and draftsmen. It includes a dusting brush, eraser shield, and premium vinyl eraser. If you're an artist looking for a complete set of tools to refine your work, this is a great choice. It will help you achieve precision and control in your drawings. What people say. The cleaning pad effectively removes dust and debris from documents. The design of the pad allows for easy handling and maneuverability. The pad's material is gentle on documents, preventing damage during cleaning. Number 4. PYS 16 Magnetic Laptop Privacy Screen. Introducing the PYS Detachable 16 Laptop Privacy Screen. Installation is a breeze, it practically attaches itself. Just align it and give it a tap. When you're finished, the storage clip keeps it safe, making your laptop the superhero of privacy. Want your laptop to turn invisible? This screen is your secret agent against side-angle snoopers. Work on your top secret documents, shielded from prying eyes. It ensures they see a black screen, protecting your information. The PYS Magnetic Laptop Privacy Screen is your ticket to a glare-free world. Say goodbye to squinting. This screen protector blocks sneaky eyes and battles glare. With the matte finish, you can comfortably enjoy your screen. This screen protector is compatible with 16:16:10 aspect ratio laptops. Measure your screen's displayable area, width 13.6, height 8.5, diagonal 16. If you need help, we are here to assist you. At PYS, we're protecting screens and saving the day for students, professionals, and business heroes. Consider us your screen's trusty sidekick, defending your data. Join PYS and experience the screen protection. Buy with confidence. We focus on privacy filters and provide high-quality solutions. Our professional team ensures consistent quality. If you have any problems, please contact us. We will help you solve them. What we like. This privacy screen is easy to install with its magnetic design. It effectively blocks side-angle viewing, keeping your screen private. If you are often working with sensitive information in public spaces, this is the perfect solution. It will give you peace of mind and protect your data. What people say. The cleaning pad effectively removes dust and debris. The pad's design allows for easy cleaning of documents. It is a useful tool for maintaining document quality. Number 3. Absorene Book Cleaner and Dirt Eraser Bundle. Tired of dusty books and documents? This bundle is designed to bring them back to life. It's the perfect solution for cleaning and restoring your precious items. This putty-like cleaner works like an eraser, lifting away grime and dirt. It's ideal for dust jackets, covers, and edges, leaving them looking refreshed. This is routinely used in conservation work. Libraries, booksellers, and antiquarians worldwide trust it for cleaning books, manuscripts, and more. It's not just for books. You can use it on computer screens, car dashboards, and other surfaces you don't want to get wet. It's a versatile cleaning tool. This product is proudly made in the USA. Get yours today and experience the difference it makes in preserving your valuable items. What we like. This book cleaner is designed to absorb dust and dirt, restoring your books to their original condition. It's perfect for cleaning dust jackets, book covers, and edges. If you have a collection of old books or documents that need some care, you should consider this. It will help you preserve your precious items. What people say. This really works amazing. They work very well and I only wish I had discovered them decades ago. The Magic Sponge, sort of a modified gummy eraser, works well for cleaning off light dirt and pencil markings from books. One swipe and you can see the dirt on the sponge. It's sturdy, you don't need to put much pressure on it. Just begin at one side of a page, and gently run across the surface in one direction. Do not rub back and forth, or in spirals, just lightly and gently in one direction, and repeat until clean. The putty cleaner works by rolling a rod of it in your hand, then roll across the surface of the book you're cleaning. Great for delicate paper. Never rub, just roll in one direction all over the page. When the eraser is dirty, you can knead it to a cleaner spots and continue. Great for light soot, dirt, dust. I use it to gently clean the surfaces of old books, and found that it works extremely well. Just remember not to scrub, or put much pressure on either. Though it may take an extra few wipes, doing so will maintain the integrity of the paper. I recommend this for used books. A great product if you use it correctly. Number 2. Pacific Arc Dry Cleaning Pad. Are you tired of smudges ruining your artwork? This dry cleaning pad is the perfect solution. It removes mistakes with ease and grace, making it the ideal choice for artists. Crafted with finely powdered gum eraser, this pad is designed for precision. It's perfect for technical pencil cleaning, ensuring your work remains pristine without damage. This pad features a super soft eraser powder that absorbs dirt and dust effectively. Simply squeeze and twist the pad to sift the powder and clean your surfaces. It's also great for pre-cleaning. Whether you're an artist, architect, engineer, or drafter, this pad is for you. It cleans neatly and efficiently on various surfaces, leaving no smudges or marks behind. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This dry cleaning pad is a practical and memorable choice for any artist. It will help them elevate their creativity and take their work to the next level. What we like? This dry cleaning pad is the artist's choice for removing smudges and smears. It's made with a super soft eraser powder that absorbs dirt and dust. If you are an artist, architect, or drafter looking for a reliable tool to clean your artwork, this is a great choice. It will help you keep your work clean and professional. What people say. Great for pastel artists to clean mistakes. This does exactly what it says. It will clear away some light smudges on your drawings, but it will do so much more. You can use them to remove marks off your walls or cabinet doors if you happen to have a little one running around with a pen, pencil, or crayons. I watercolor paint and use this to clean up my watercolor paper before I begin painting. It lightens the 2.0mm pencil marks and all the smudges. Works wonderfully. Number 1. Cecilio Flute Care Kit, Complete Maintenance Kit. This complete maintenance kit is designed to keep your flute in perfect playing condition. It includes everything you need to clean and maintain it, ensuring it sounds its best. The kit is made with high-quality materials to effectively clean your flute. It helps to remove moisture and debris, preventing damage and extending the life of your instrument. Whether you have a flute or piccolo, this kit has you covered. It includes a flute cleaning cloth, joint grease, and a cleaning rod, making it versatile for various needs. This kit is ideal for entry to mid-level instruments. It's a great choice for students in school band classes, helping them learn proper instrument care. The kit includes a hanky swab, coil swab, cork grease, polishing cloth, and key brush. It's a complete solution for all your flute maintenance needs. What we like? This flute care kit includes everything you need to clean and maintain your flute. It's made of high-quality materials and is ideal for beginners. If you're a flute player looking for a complete and easy-to-use maintenance kit, it's a great choice. It will help you keep your instrument in top condition. What people say. This cleaning kit is very nice quality and came with everything I needed to keep my flute clean. The hanky swab and polishing cloth are finished in a way to keep them from falling apart at the edges. The coil swab is also very handy for cleaning my head joint well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.